All right, so specifically, bus station problem, number 6. According to this problem, for every 10 minutes, the bus pulls up, and it waits for 1.5. So number 6 says, what's the probability bus is there when you arrive? So, minutes. Yeah, 90 seconds, believe it or not, is actually, kind of a long stretch of just sitting there. Especially as another bus will be along in 8.5 minutes. Usually with a bus system, they roll up, they snag it. If you're not there, they go on, because another bus is coming 10 minutes later. You can wait. Now, what's the probability of the buses wait? Think of time as a line. It is 10 units long. And then when we look at the region, now that's the whole thing is 10. And we'll add a few other adds-ons to this, because they're good probability problems. This represents the area where the bus is sitting there with the door open, taking on passengers. So what's the probability if I pick a random time to arrive that I land inside that window? How do you figure 15%?
Because it's 1.5 out of 10, and if you add a 0 to the 10 and just switch over the decimal of the 1.5 to 15%.
Okay, so 1.5 out of 10, yeah, which is 0.15 or 15%. So 15% of the time the bus is waiting for us. The other 85%, we'll have to wait a couple of minutes. And then, let's see, 7 takes it up a notch. Before I go to 7, are we good with 6?
Don't you just always take that number divided by the total?
And probability is always that. It's winning divided by total. So what is success? Divide that by the total number of times or ways you can have it happen. Winning, yeah. I'm a little annoyed at Charlie Sheen right now for that, because it makes this lesson a lot harder to teach. When we look then at the next part of the next question, the follow-up 7, what is how many times, if I go 20 times, will I have to wait less than 3 minutes? So the first thing I have to do is to put that 3 minutes onto my timeline. So here's my 3-minute wait, which means my success area is now 4.5 minutes long. That's less than 3 minutes, right? Yes. So that means that out of 10 minutes, 4.5 minutes represent either arrive, bus is waiting for me, or walk up, wait a minute, 2 minutes, up to 3 minutes, bus shows up. Get on the bus. So this probability now is going to be 4.5 divided by 10, or 0.45, or 45%. So how do I figure out how many times that will happen out of my 20 trips to the bus? 4 weeks of taking the bus. Every day to work, give, take. Times, yeah, take the probability, times it by the number of times you try it. So if I try it 20 times, multiply that by the probability of success, and that's where I get my answer. Somewhere in the ballpark of 9 times is my expected outcome. Okay, go ahead.
How do you get 4.5?
The 4.5, that would be, the 4.5 comes from my 3-minute wait plus the 1.5 where the bus is already sitting there. So anywhere in that 4.5 minute window, my wait is 3 minutes or less. What more can I say about that one?